Welcome to another Kubota video from Ace Tuning Outdoors. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button. If you enjoy Kubota videos, check out some of my other Kubota content on the channel.
Hey viewers, welcome to Ace Tuning Outdoors. Thanks for joining me. In this video I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to install this 72-inch mowing deck underneath that B2650. So don't go anywhere, it's pretty easy.
This mowing deck is quite easy to push around, considering it's close to 500 pounds. So you want to start by putting the brakes on the tractor before starting it up. Then you want to use the loader to lift up the front end, so that way you can rotate your front wheels while the machine is off the ground, to give you more clearance to roll the mowing deck underneath the machine. Once you have established enough ground clearance, you can begin to try to wheel that 72-inch deck underneath. Sometimes you can push it directly in, other times you have to go around to the other side and pull it. Keep in mind you want to centralize it with the mid PTO. Avoid going under the machine while it's running. You can now straighten your wheels and begin to lower the tractor back down over top of the mowing deck. Always double check your clearances. The last thing you want to do is have the tractor sitting right on top of the deck. That could lead to some damage and unnecessary repair costs. At this point, you're going to want to go underneath the tractor, underneath the weight box in my case, and in between the rear tires to locate the mid-mounted PTO drive shaft. When you're under the machine, just have a quick look at the PTO shaft to get rid of any dirt or debris that might be on the spline, and clean it and apply extra grease as needed. Now you can go ahead and install your pull brace. These pins can be a little bit tricky to get in, but with some patience, they will go. Now you can hook up your pull bar with the mechanism at the front. Now you want to locate those lifting arms that lift the rear end of the deck. They're located underneath the footboard of the machine. It can get a little tricky to line up all those spring pins with those brackets. Feel free to give the deck a little wiggle as needed to locate those pins.